6 banana home remedies that will surprise you. Aside from being one of the most portable, healthy snacks in the world, bananas also have a lot of uses. This potassium-rich fruit can be used as part of your beauty routine, used as a first aid, and as a home remedy for many other conditions. In this video, we will share with you some of the surprising uses of bananas that may shock you. 1. Create a natural face mask. Bananas can be used as a face mask that can moisturize your skin and leave it looking soft and vibrant. To make a face mask out of bananas, simply get a medium-sized ripe banana and mash it to create a paste-like consistency. Apply the paste to your neck and face and leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes. Finally, wash it off using cold water. 2. Help get rid of splinters. Regardless of how small it is, splinters can be painful and a bit difficult to remove. If you want to loosen splinters easily, simply press the inside of the banana peel on the affected area for about half an hour. The natural enzymes in the banana peel can help you loosen it for easy plucking. 3. Wart removal. There are medical procedures that can remove warts, but did you know that you can do so by using banana peels? Simply cut off a piece of banana peel from a ripe fruit and cover the area with warts. Make sure that the inside of the banana peel is the part that is in contact with the affected area. Leave it on overnight by using medical tape to keep it in place. You will see some improvement the next morning, and you can do this every night until the warts are gone. 4. Help with first aid. Because banana peels have anti-inflammatory properties, they can be an effective remedy for bug bites, sunburn, and minor scrapes. Simply press the inside of the banana peel on the affected areas and repeat until you get some relief. 5. Restore your dry hair. If your hair is dry and stringy, consider using ripe banana fruits to restore it in its optimal condition. All you must do is make a puree out of 1 to 3 ripe bananas, and then massage this puree on your hair and scalp. Leave the hair mask on for 15 minutes, rinse off with clean water, and then shampoo your hair like you normally would. These are some of the lesser-known uses of bananas. There are many other purposes, such as fertilizer, polishing silverware, or relief from heartburn. So the next time you go to the grocery store, don't forget to add bananas in your shopping list. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.